Hey guys, this is Jake with Daybros RV Sales. Today we're looking at the 2019 Catalina Toyhauler, the 29TH. Let's take a look around it. This is the Trailblazer package. It will have the electric front jack, the Lippert toy lock. Very nice coach on the outside, nice paint schemes, looks very good. Full pass-through storage. Your speakers outside. It is going to have the LED lights underneath your awning and LED lights underneath the side skirt. It has an outside shower. This unit also has the patio option on it, so you can also fold the gate down, use it for a patio, enjoy it, sit out there. Alright guys, now we're going to check out the inside. Coming in the inside, one-piece countertops to prevent any splitting or anything like that. Gas and electric Norcold refrigerator, Furrion oven, nice U-shaped dinette up here that folds in, also makes into a bed. It does have the 32-inch flat screen TV, DVD player built in. Good sized bedroom. A very nice spacious bathroom with a good sized tub and toilet, plenty of space in it. Going back into the toy hauler area, tons of tie downs on the floor that are anchored to the actual steel frame on this. A lot of room. Give us a call today at 606-877-1530. Thanks.